Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 6 different outfits that I created by mixing prints. I'm not a big print mixing person. Some people can pull off like really strange combinations and it looks amazing, like stripes and leopard print, and I'm just not one of those people. I can't really pull it off, but I do kind of like the look of mixing certain prints to create a more interesting, more editorial style outfit. So if you want to find out, just keep on watching. One of the easiest ways to mix a print is actually grabbing something that has not a different color print but a pattern. So I'll say a lace blouse. I got this white little creamy floral lace blouse from a thrift store, but it was originally from Sirens, and I like to mix it with a skirt that has a very similar pattern to it. So for example, this skirt from H&M has a floral, from far away it kind of looks like a lace style print, but it's not, it's just like a floral print. But since the lace on the blouse also has florals, it just kind of looks a little bit more seamless, and then you don't really notice that you're mixing 2 prints, and it just kind of adds a little bit more detail to an outfit as opposed to just having like a plain white shirt. Another way that I like to mix print is actually looking for 2 pieces that look similar or in the same color palette and both have really small minimal prints. So for example, I have this skirt from Forever 21 and it is like a cream red and blue skirt. So as you can see, it has like this little zigzag pattern on it, and it's not a bold print, it's from far away just like a slight little print on it. And then I like to pair it with this vest that is also from Forever 21 that has the same color palette. So it has the red, the cream, and the blue. And then as you can see from far away, you don't really see the print. So when you pair it together, it almost looks like a little matching set, but obviously it's a completely different print, but it just kind of works very cohesively together. And then I just add like a white chiffon blouse underneath just to kind of tie the whole look together. Another way that I like to mix print is actually looking for the exact same print and size, but in a different color. So for example, I have this pair of overalls from Topshop and it is just black and white, and then I like to pair it with this blouse from Pull & Bear that is the same size and it is pink and white. So when you put it together, I think it just creates like a more interesting outfit, and it adds so much detail, and it's not like too much print just because it's the exact same print, so it just kind of cohesively kind of goes together and it looks like a little matching set. Another way that I like to mix print, which is actually probably the one that I use the most, and it is using the same print but in a different size. So this sweater from Suzy Shier is a really bold, large houndstooth print, and then I like to pair this with a small houndstooth print skirt. So it being the same pattern and the same color, I think when you put it together it creates like a really interesting outfit, especially if you wear like a little white collar or something, just to add more details to it, and it looks a little bit more editorial, I find. So yeah, it's one of my favorite ways to wear this. As I mentioned before, looking for pieces that are in the same color palette is kind of key for mixing prints, in my opinion, the way that I like to style them. But then also finding things that are in the same, like, I don't want to say genre, but like style. So for example, I have this vest from Brooks Brothers, and it is like an argyle black and white sweater vest, which I would wear over like a white blouse or something, and then I would pair it with this like houndstooth plaid little blazer. So obviously it's a little bit more preppy, like Ivy prep type style, and then paired with something that is also in that kind of style genre, I want to say. It just kind of adds a little bit more interest, and it just kind of goes very well together, I find. And as you can see, the one on the inside is a little bit more bold, and then the jacket outside, since the print is a little bit more minimal, it just kind of looks a little bit more seamless, and from far away you can't really see the print as much. So if you want to go a little bit more bold and you do want to wear completely different prints, I have this outfit that you guys have seen before, but this is a blue and white striped turtleneck, and then you can pair this with a polka dot skirt. But for me, the important part is that they have to be the same color palette. So for example, this skirt is blue with white polka dots, and this is a blue turtleneck with white stripes. So I just think it looks really cohesive and like a little matching set when they're the same color palette. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm not big on mixing really different prints. I don't know, it just doesn't really work very well for me. Some people look really good in it, they can pull it off really well, but I'm not one of those people. Like, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below which outfit was your favorite, what ways do you like to wear mixed prints, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!